What's going on, amigos?
What's up, amigos? Hey, we're back at the
y'all probably know this spot if you live in the DFW area. This spot is one of the most popping spots in DFW area, and today we'll probably show you why it's one of the most popping spots, because after these floods, guys, these fish get stacked in this hole right here. So hopefully we can get into a mess of sandies for you guys. Caleb's gonna be standing up there on that little ledge. It's a good little spot
for you guys, fishing them kind of the same ways. It's super simple today. Cast it with jigs, into current break, catching fish. I mean, it's the best time of year right now, guys.
It should be every cast.
It's gonna be every cast. It's crazy because it's like noon, it's late for us, and there's not a soul out here. And we have it to ourselves.
Yep.
Open real estate. We can fish any side we want. We can fish that side, this side right here, it doesn't matter.
This creek just got done flooding too, guys. It just rained 2 days ago. This creek drains faster than any creek in the DFW, so this is probably one of the only creeks today that's going to be fishable.
Also, I know it seems repetitive when we tell you guys what we're doing, but literally that's what you guys should be looking for. Floods, after a flood, 2 days after, go to the creek, look at the levels, figure out the levels of the creek, and then that's what we do.
Fishing after floods, guys, is the most important thing in sandy fishing. These fish thrive off current. If they don't got current, then they're not going to be thriving. Hopefully we can slay a double limit for you guys. We probably won't put all the fish on film, but hopefully you guys enjoy the content we're posting for you guys. If you could turn on that notification bell, subscribe if you haven't, like the video, do whatever, share it.
Also, shout out to Handing. They gave us these poles to try out. Mine's a little dirty because of the muddy situations that we fish and the creeks we go to all the time, but this pole is a must-have. I'm gonna drop a link in the description. If you purchase one, we get supported by them. They support us, so check them out.
All kinds of rods too, not just the ones we have. They got crappie rods, I'm pretty sure, all kinds of good creek rods you can hop into. So let's get to fishing, guys. We'll see you guys out there.
Back to it.
Adios.
Stay tuned. Adios. Get it.
Pole's a little dirty, but the details on this thing is amazing. My all-purpose finesse rod by Handing. It's a 7-foot medium pole. The details on this thing are absolutely impeccable. It's super durable. I've been using this thing for probably about 2 weeks now.
Here with our new fishing brand called Handing. This is their 7-foot medium heavy rod. Coming out here to test it. The hybrids, sand bass, everything should be stacked in here, guys.
So we're just gonna get into fishing today. I'm throwing a 1/8 ounce jig. Nothing special, something different. Give them something different to chew at.
See if we can put this pole to use. See if we can catch a sandy limit on this thing. Fish on, guys, first cast. First cast, guys. If that ain't an intro to a video, I don't know what is. Perfect start with this new pole. This fish is kind of cold. It's kind of crazy. These temps are super warm out here today. Actually, I think this fish is cold because we just had a cold flood. So this water is probably a little bit less than the temp outside, guys, but it's a good start to the day. First cast.
Me too.
Really?
Yeah, fish on, first cast, guys. First cast, me and Andrew are already on fish. Nice little white bass on, like I said, that pink, yellow, and black. Ow, he got me. Number 1 of the day, the good old gun range.
All right, guys, let's see if we can do 2 for 2. Just saw fish rolling on the top of the water right where I cast it a second ago, so I'm thinking 2 for 2 is going to look very promising, guys. Yep, 2 for 2. Saw that happening. These fish are stacked up in these holes, ready to be caught. That's exactly what we're out here to do. He wanted that jig till choked it. Can we go 3 for 3? I think we're gonna catch probably 10 fish in a row right here, guys, if I'm being honest. Yep, 3 in a row. Jesus. It's about to be so easy, bro. It's about to be solid, easy fishing out here, guys. Just want to explain this area we're fishing. So this pipe right here stacks up some sticks and all kinds of stuff. The main channel of the creek is on that far side. And these fish will swim up right here and they'll come hang out in this huge slack pool we got over here. All just slack water, and these fish like to just come stack up in here. The hybrids will clearly sit out in the main heavy stuff, but the sandies will swim up and then they'll just come hang out right here. And this hole right here, it goes like this. It's deep and then it goes shallow. So these fish, they'll come up in here, they'll get pushed back all the way up into that slant that goes like this, and they'll just sit there like this at that point right there. I don't know how well y'all can see, but it gets shallow right there. Right in front is the point. These fish literally get pushed up into that bank, and that's where I'm catching all these fish today. That's 4 in a row. That might be a dink. I think it's a dinker. That's a dinker, but that's 4. That's 5. Jesus. That's another dink, guys. 5 fish, 5 casts, so it's crazy you catch dinks this late in the season. I think it's wild to me. It's a better fish.
Double up. No, it's a just fat sandy.
I got a giant sandy too. Little double uppy. Double up. Try to get this double limit. Big old sandy, guys. Fish every cast right now, guys. That's crazy. That's 6 fish, 6 casts, guys. It's on fire.
These fish should just be hugging up against this tree. And they're just eating like that. Just like that, guys. Literally just stacked. Stacked by the hundreds. Come here. Don't go. You see how durable that pole is? I just ripped that fish out of that little hole. He was gonna get me tangled, so I just ripped him out. These fish are active today, guys. It's a fish every cast.
God, dude, every cast. I mean, these fish are on fire, guys. My bait just hit the water. Nice size keeper. Me and Caleb just doubled up for the 2nd time today already. I mean, look at that. That's a nice size sandy, guys. Every single cast. Every single cast.
Stay away from the trees. Pole is perfect for every occasion. Definitely holds true to its all finesse. I don't know what number we're on, but another good one. Racking these fish up today, guys. Another nice size sand bass. Another one. Oh. And he got my ass.
Double up? That's 3 double ups already. We've been here 10 minutes, guys.
Bro, it's like every cast.
It literally is every cast. The only problem is mine's a dink.
The only problem is mine isn't.
That's good though. Little dink sandy, little double up. Just out here having a good time, guys. Easy fishing. Oh my God, dude. This is crazy, guys. They're all good size too. Another keeper. Dude, they're right there on that little slant. Another keeper today, guys.
Another one, guys. Killing those jigs. Yeah, that bird got that. That bird fell in looking like me.
1, 2, there it goes. Heavy cast. When I say there's probably 100 sand bass right there, guys, I ain't lying. The good old Rowlett Creek. For anywhere in the DFW, probably know this area. Probably know this spot exactly. Like literally, when I cast right there, bro, like I swear it's like 2 seconds. Look at that. Just instantly, bro. Like, yeah, you're gonna get hit right there. There's just no way. That's another giant sandy, guys. Another keeper. I'm not lying, I've made one cast that I didn't catch a fish. That's my fish only. That's literally 5 minutes. Fish are on fire, guys. This is actually so dumb. Actually just dumb. It's probably a 10, 11 inch sandy, but I'm not worried about it. Let them go. Oh my Jesus Christ. It's 2 fish in one cast. Just destroying fish, dude. That's the ones we're looking for right there, guys. That's a good solid 13, 14 inch fish. These are the ones you want to eat. That's crazy. That one might be had some eggs in it. I don't know. Either full of eggs or bait. God, these fish are so mad today. Should probably just come over here. All these fish are pretty much the same size. Just the perfect size sandy. You gotta love fishing these parts of the year. You don't gotta be finesse at all, guys. These fish are so active, you could probably throw a piece of paper out there. My grub is absolutely destroyed. Time for a new little grubby. Thank this fish right here for destroying my grub. These little pack of grubs right here, guys. These things are cheap. Comes with 20. Things are awesome too. One of my favorite features about them is they have this triple split in the tail, and that just adds so much movement in the water. It just looks juicy, especially this color too. This color, white, pink, my favorite colors to use out here in the creeks. I don't think it matters. You're just probably not going through the strike zone like I am. Giant sands, you guys. Tank. Say tank. That is a tank. Jesus, these fish are angry today. They're just digging. It's a good one. It's a very good sandy. All these are pretty much the same size, guys. A lot of them look like males, big males. That's 18 fish in literally not even 30 minutes, guys. I've been filming for 23 minutes. 18 fish. It's unreal. It's almost a fish a minute.
Fish just gave up. He just gave up.
Nice, dude. That's 250 lost. Good job.
As soon as it hit the water, must have hit him in the head. Another one for the day, guys. These fish are eating, hitting this, I don't even know what I want to call this. Hamburglar, I don't know. Nice little white bass, guys. Fish on. These bass are active today, guys. Just another tank for Rowlett Creek. Sand bass. He pooped himself. Boy pooping.
Oh, I saw that fish come and chase your bait, bro.
Did you?
Yeah.
Just a tank of a sand bass. Another one. Just a tank. Fish on. That boy feisty, boy. Oh, another one, guys. It's back to back over there. Just another tank. Standing on this little wall. Casting out, reeling in. Nothing special. It's a tank of a sand bass. Hitting it right when it hits the water too. Stacking up fish, man. Wild boys at Rowlett Creek, guys. Just killing them. Killing them at the gun range. Just a tank. Just a tank, dude.
Jesus Christ, guys. This is probably the fastest limit of my life at Rowlett Creek. For sure. And that's why these floods are so important, guys. We're definitely the first people in this hole. These fish got settled down in this hole and they're just on fire. It's my stringer for today, guys. Easy solo limit in literally 30 minutes, guys. Easy fishing.